All right, Yon World, we back with another one. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We unboxing my new Cartier Santos watch. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World, man. We just hit 46,000 subscribers on YouTube. Been a crazy past 6 months. Real successful for your boy Yon World, and I decided to gift myself with a Cartier Santos watch, man. You already know we had to go bust down, but we got the official Cartier Santos watch. I got all the paperwork, everything. I just want to show y'all what you can expect if you get a watch like this from my jeweler. Same jeweler that did my Yon World pendant, Enlil the jeweler, Clarity Jewelers, man. They do a lot of people jewelry, man, but you know, shout out to Enlil the jeweler, man. But yeah, Cartier Santos, we about to unbox this, man. It's your boy. You know, it come in this little red box. Had this little booklet. But woo! Y'all see this motherfucker right here. Yeah. Cartier Santos. Right. I already got it fitted. But it's the big face with the date at the bottom. Got a blue dial. It's like a blue dial. And it got a blue gemstone right there. Alright. Got like these gold screw looking things on a link. Spaghetti. All bust down. This was custom. You know, custom idea. I told the jeweler to do it like this. Normally people just get the whole, you know, each link bust down. I said add a spaghetti on top of each one. But yeah, it's the Cartier. Let me take it off this. See the back of it. All right. See how that mug look. Got some nice weight on it. Let me put it on. Side look on wrist. It's nice. My first bust down watch. With diamonds in it. I know they say when you bust down watches, it don't hold the value, but I don't plan on selling none of my shit. That's why I get it custom. You know, I don't plan on selling my Yon World pendant, never. I ain't gonna never sell my watch. It's custom. Made for me. Could be more valuable in the future, you know, after I put in all this work. But yeah, man. So, the Cartier. Automatic dial movement, magnifying glass, face, it's like a curve. My shit all bust down. Yeah, man. And in the box, you get in the box. It's a tool. It's normally a tool. I took it out. I was trying to size my shit myself, but I just went to the jewelry store and had them do it. And it's this little pamphlet hard to get out. See this motherfucker snug. Pamphlet. Basically just show the card. You know, serial number and all that. Nice Cartier box. But yeah, man. It's your boy Yon World. New Cartier Santos watch. Let me know what y'all think about it. Leave a comment in the comment box. It's your boy. I'm out. Peace.